Nate here. Today's Prime Labs, I want to talk to you about our 100 cycle assurance. It's one of the quality control steps that we take after initial bow assembly every one of our bows goes through. So the bow gets assembled, rough tuned, and then it goes into this box and it gets cycled 100 times. It goes to full draw and gets let down. Why is that important? It's important because we can make sure that that bow is functioning properly. Was there a bad bearing put in place? Was the bearing put in wrong? Did somebody assemble something wrong? Maybe they got the wrong cable guard on there for a 6-inch brace height instead of a 7-inch. We can catch all those things. But the other thing that it's doing is allowing the bow to settle in place. Now we all kind of talk about that with strings and cables. You cycle them in to let the strings and cable kind of settle. That is true, that is happening. But every component on that bow is feeling stress and tension and being worked in a way it hadn't been before. And so that's what we're doing. And to demonstrate that, it's like our limbs. This is a freshly machined limb. That back surface is flat, and so putting it on a piece of granite here, you can kind of tell by moving around, it's flat. Here's a limb that same process, but we've cycled it thousands of times. It's got a little bit of a wobble there to it. It's taken a set. Now the limb is supposed to flex a lot, so it's going to take a bigger set than a cam or a bearing or the riser or the pocket. But all those things are also taking a set. A lot less, but when you add all those things up, if you get a bow that isn't done like this, the poundage could drop, the draw length could creep, but also your tune. You could have it tuned and then all of a sudden 100 shots in, now you got a slight right tear. That's all because the whole system needed to settle in play. So with Prime, we take care of that for you with this cycle assurance. So there's no better quality than Prime because of 100 cycle assurance, but no quicker way to get out into the field and have consistent results than Prime because of the 100 cycle assurance.